Okay, we just come here to Katajuta and we see wild camels up there. Awesome, right? Wild camels!
They're looking.
Hey, camels. They're looking at us. And you can see the sunset. I mean, the sunrise. Oh, fuck, let's do it again. Okay. Jump future after a few hours video. Okay, so after I got off the mountain, I was trying to set my camera, change it to 120 frames per second. That way I can do another B-roll. As I saw the parking lot, I panicked because I just clicked the button twice and the top and also the touch screen, and then I realized I just formatted my card. I just wiped out the whole day of photos and videos. So I was a bit stunned and a bit shocked. But the thing is, I recovered fast. Then I grabbed my camera. I tried to film myself, and that's how I looked. I looked like shit. I didn't know what I was doing. At the same time, also, I was filming at 120 frames per second. That's why this clip doesn't have anything on it. Like me, just crazy. I look like shit, and you can see all the flies flying over my face, but I still filmed it. I was full with emotions, but yeah, there's no audio and it's in slow motion. What the hell? Oh well, learned a lot. Yep. Okay, I'm currently editing that scene for the third day of our ULURU trip. Thing is, the file's gone. Like, I formatted it. You'd understand. Yeah. So, yeah. The fuck, I formatted my card today, and yeah, I'm so concerned about the camels. I like that shot with the camels. I was supposed to put it in my phone, but I didn't have time. The whole trip up the mountain, down the drain. Well, that's life. Just have to roll with it. Let's go. Gonna drive back home. 4 more hours.
That's a good attitude.
Okay, so what happened was we woke up early and checked out the sunrise at Katajuta. It was really good. We went closer. We saw some camels, and then the camels were so good, great. They looked good in the photo. So I took some photos, did a video, which was the one I posted, the clip previously, and then we went back home to the hotel to get some breakfast. And after getting breakfast, we got all stuff. We went to the Kings Canyon. I drove around 3 to 4 hours there, had a bit of pit stops, and then arriving there, we also saw this mountain, Mount Ebenezer. I don't know. It was really cool also. So after that, yeah, I drove all the way, and we arrived at the mountain. I mean, at the canyon, which was the Kings Canyon. It was around 34 degrees. If it was 36 degrees, nobody's allowed to climb the mountain, so it was good for us. It was still hot though, so we rested in the car, just took a break. Yeah, and then when the clouds came in, we went up. So as soon as we went to the mountain, did a 3 to 4 hour climb around mountain, a hike, and some photos, a lot of videos and everything else. There was a lot of videos. Like, I did a lot of running videos, I did some tutorials on hiking, and did some reveals, do B-rolls. On the way down, I was so excited to see the parking lot, so I just tried to set the camera to 120p. That way I can do some B-rolls with Laura walking towards the parking lot. And I was clicking the touch screen, and yeah, it just said formatting, okay. It was so quick that it just wiped out that instant. And I was flushed, I was shocked. People were saying that there was a dingo around the corner, but I didn't really care. I was just shocked walking straight. My shoes was even wet when I walked through that river. It was a short river crossing, and yeah, it was a bit frustrating, but I got over it quick. That's not me, but that's good enough. And yeah, after that we went back home. It was a heavy thunderstorm on the way back. There was big lightning, but yeah, I tried to recover all the videos. I got them, but they're not in good condition. I can't play some of them. I just played one. I got all the photos, so what you're going to see now are more photos from the trip. And yeah, it's such a shame. I'm not really fond of SD cards. Like, I don't want dual SD cards because I don't need them. And right now, that made me think, if I had dual SD cards, I could have saved some of the videos. But either way, it happened. Lesson learned. Yeah. So just check out the photos that I took that day. Maybe some information I got about it. So let's see how this goes. Yeah. Shit. Oh, by the way, I'm editing this right now, so it's a bit days after. But I'm still trying to recover the videos. I even did bought a software. I haven't used my card in around 15 days. My good Sony Tough card, which is somewhere in my bag. But yeah, I think I'm gonna give up. I'm just gonna use the card again and start filming. Yeah, on that day, it felt like I'm okay, but to some point, I still want those videos. If I can get them in the future, I might as well edit them and put them up. But for now, this goes to the vlog. Okay, I gotta move the microphone somewhere else. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Okay, so now that we have established it, I don't have any I don't have any videos to show. I just have photos. So I just quickly run into my files and exported some. So the day started with us going to Karajuda. We went to the sunset area to take some photos for sunrise, but it was a mistake. So we had to go back and we went to the sunrise viewing area, and yeah, it was good. It looked like that. And then on the other side, there you can see ULURU on the other side. It's good. And then, of course, the selfie. We have to take a selfie because if you ain't there, if you don't have any photos, you ain't there. Oh, so yeah. And Laura went on her way out. We went back to the parking lot, and there she is. There's some photos. By the way, some of the photos I didn't edit because I got tired. So we went closer to Karachuda and took some photos there. And yeah, we saw some camels. We were so happy. We see them by the road. They were just walking there. I feel like they were wild. And yeah, the selfie again. We took a selfie. Yeah, of course, because I want selfies. And then took a shot of Laura looking at the camels. There she is. And then we went to the part of Karachuda where she has developed the winds. Walked straight up. It was tiring. I was like tired. And then we went up there. It was still so early in the morning. I ran there a couple times, took some videos, but yeah, of course, bye-bye videos. It's not there. So that's how it looked. That's Laura there walking at the part where I was running. So at the tip there, we just stayed there and just felt the wind. There's still a hike away there, and yeah, we didn't go. By the way, that's Mount Ebenezer, and yeah, we just passed by that on the road. That's our car. Look cool, right? Yeah. And then, oh, this is so fast. That's the entrance for the Kings Canyon. So we drove all the way there. Went to that entrance. The first hike was that uphill. Like it was bad. It looked so bad. It looked so bad as in the videos, but I don't have any videos, so just photos for now. Yeah, the hike was good. It was great. Then she rested. I kept on taking photos, so that's why I keep on lagging far. That's Laura there. Took a photo of her of the resting part. And then, yeah, the hero shot. I have to take a hero shot. That's it. And then we walk some more. And yeah, of course, I always do the selfie. That's me taking the selfie now. And then, yeah, there she is. She can't wait to finish the whole hike. And yeah, I was taking too long. Like I did a lot of videos there also. And yeah, it's gone. So that's another hero shot, that part there. And then we went out there. I made a good reveal of the other side in a video, but it looked like that. But yeah, the video's gone again. Goodbye video. And yeah, I had to take a photo of myself, or I asked Laura to take a photo of me, and I edited that. And that's near the cliff. By the way, that's safe there. There's signs for the places where it's not safe. That's me. I need to have one of my own photos. It looks kind of scary, but it's not. And then there goes the selfie. Yeah, of course, the selfie. The selfie's always there. Yeah, and then we walk past by these rocks, and Laura had to cover her face because there were a lot of flies already. That's the side of the cliff. We can see people on the other side. So that's around the canyon. That's the rim. We walk around it. That's so cool, right? yeah, she was talking. I forgot what she was talking about. And then we went to the edge again and took some photos. Again, it's safe there, of course. Don't be scared. That's me also trying to be safe and staying away from the edge. And then yeah, we went back to the trail. So yeah, the trail is a long walk, and that's the side of the cliff. Of course, Laura's gonna hit me for posting that. That you can see that from the side of the cliff, but it's really scary. I don't advise it, but we are trained professionals, so yeah, that's what we did. She's gonna get mad at me posting that. And we went back to the trail. Heading back, we passed by all these rock formations, and you see that arrow there, that blue arrow. You need to follow that to go around the rim. We went down to the Garden of Eden. It was quite a walk, and then there she is, walking. I'm left behind as always, and then that's one of the rivers there. Under the selfie, yeah, under the selfie, and then I'm panting. Oh yeah, we crossed it and we climbed that part there, and I did a good video. I was crawling on the stairs, but yeah, it's gone. Yeah, it's gone. And that's the Garden of Eden inside. We didn't bother to go. On the other side, we were walking on that other rim there, and oh yeah, the selfie. We're walking on the other side, and people were seeing us from the other side. So that's the view from the opposite side, and there she is walking. The sun was going down, it was getting dark, and we saw this track. That's a 22-kilometer, 2 days one way. Whoa, that's too long, so we didn't go there. Of course, went back, and then that's the way we were heading to the parking lot. I was so happy that I was like changing the camera settings, and then yeah, it's gone. So yeah, that's it. That was quick, right? Yeah, I think that was quick. Okay, yeah, and if I was using this RX 100, you have to dig into the format button and you have to look for it, so it would have been better. So, anyway, till next time, next video, next trip. Ciao, and yeah, back up your files. Make sure you don't mess up when you're traveling. Bye!